We're looking at the bigger picture here. The ES is trying to move lower on the higher time frame, 60 minute. As we can see over here, tried to go to the high side, but it couldn't. So we said the print's really pushing to the downside. The tape momentum, we see the magenta lines. Okay, so we haven't taken a trade yet on the ES. We are waiting. Okay.
Sweet.
We saw this madness here. Okay, so there's a lot of momentum to the downside. We're gonna wait and see if the market can go lower here in this support and turn around. So we're gonna wait because we see lots of buying in the tape. As you can see, lots of buying in this area. This triangle is a high momentum purchase, so it's high frequency traders playing it around here. They did it here, as you can see. Here's the triangle. They did it here. They bought it. They sold it here. So they bought it here. So we need to see the selling. So it can go lower, or we can just wait.
Stop filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, we see the Nasdaq reversing. And I place a buy order here.
Order submitted.
If the market reverses, it can take us to the high side. Else we cancel the trade. Hey, there goes the Nasdaq turning around. Let's see if the ES follows. Buyers in the tape, but still more bearish than bullish. There goes the buyers in the tape in the ES. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prints in the same second, but small prints, not big prints, so it's not too convincing yet.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Sweep.
There you go, guys. It worked as planned. This trade was, like you see, I did it even before everything happened. Okay. For me, it's a support. I see this, this triangle that I tell you, the high speed. Okay, this means something is gonna happen. You can see it over here, and the Nasdaq reversed. Okay, so when we saw that, there was the market just stalled in this area and reversed. Okay, so I could have handled it for more, but no surprises. If the market, you can reverse in any time, and just I can do 3 or 4 trades and be 4 plus 1,000 for the day. So we're gonna wait and see if we can get more trades. For now, we're up 270, and let's see if we can get more trades. Okay, Nasdaq is trying to break higher. We can place a limit order
Order submitted.
in the high of this bar. If Nasdaq breaks out, see buyers in the tape. The ES may continue higher a little bit. Right now the volatility is very slow, very low, so it's better to get smaller targets. Yes, buyers coming at the low of the bar. Yeah, we see more buyers in the tape. Nasdaq is reversing. There you go. There's the buyers in the tape breaking the high of the bar. Volume expansion, aggressive volume. Got correlation to the upside. Let's see if this one works out. Almost done. get a little bit more from this trade.
Sweet.
Yeah, that's like just reversed. Buyers in the tape.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order
Well,
submitted.
stopped out,
Order.
guys.
Target filled.
Didn't work out. So say buyer just couldn't push a little bit higher, so Nasdaq, just turned the market around. So that's what happens, guys.
Order submitted.
Else we're gonna
Order
place a sell
canceled.
order here. Nasdaq is just gonna play a sell order limit here. This can be a risky trade because we are above the linear regression, so but market refused to go higher. And Nasdaq hitting this bottom. Yeah.
Order
See
canceled.
the buyers in the tape.
Order submitted.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for that reversal. This is pure manipulation, guys. All this, these little moves, guys, they always do that.
Order submitted. Order filled.
And
Order
see the tape
target filled.
starting to move faster. Yep, linear regression is pointing higher. Give it some room. Yeah, I saw the buyers around here with heavy buying, and Nasdaq just reversed. See buyers in the tape. Bad trade, guys. almost stopped me out. Almost. Now we're starting to see that tape move. Starting to wake up. So for now I'm break even, guys. I won one and I lost one. Okay, I'll pause the video a little bit to not to make it too long. Okay, guys, the tape is moving quickly. We see a high volume expansion arrow here. So I will hold to this trade and see what happens. Nasdaq is not helping.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Target filled.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna bail out here. Plus 1,000 in this trade.
Target filled.
Okay, guys, so if you like the video, there's the link in the description. The contact information if you are interested in knowing more about the system. And thanks for watching, guys.